So what's happening, everybody, man? So basically, man, I wanted to tap in with y'all today, man. I just got a new item in for the Ryker. As y'all saw the thumbnail, is this cover really worth it? Here we are. It's the UltraGard Can-Am cover. I got this for my 2022 Can-Am. The price on this thing on Amazon was a little over $100 with tax. But reviews say it's good just because of the fitment of this, and I wanted to be able to make sure it was going to be a snug fit. We're about to go ahead and get the Ryker stored up for the fall/winter. I'm probably not going to be doing too much riding on it during that time frame, but what I am going to be doing is working on the SS, working on the Malibu, and I'm not gonna be able to do that if the Ryker is stored in between the two. With that being said, man, let's tap into this box. But before we do so, you already know what you gotta do for your boy. You gotta like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Definitely smash that notification bell, man. That way we can keep y'all alert on all the new drops you did. So man, what we got? Let's see. All right, so far, pulling it out the box, it does come with this nice cover on it. You know what I mean? So I just unzipped it. Nice little zipper cover, you did. And just feeling the material of it. The material is actually pretty dope. You can tell it got some weight on it. It's pretty thick. The outside is more of like a nylon type situation, double stitched insert in the inside to kind of protect the bike. And the back cover, man, the elastic on it real thick too. All right, with that being said, man, like the hooks, I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can go in and shift this bike and get it out the way. And we back, man. All right, man, so let me see if I can get some things shook down. See how I'm gonna do this, y'all. I gotta shift some things around out here, man. First, I gotta do something about this, man. This right here is the worst. This the worst here. I hate this thing, man. It never stays still. The cords are so flimsy, they snap. So I need to get something else. I don't know, we're gonna try to come up with something for next summer. Then go get this step stool, you know what I mean? A pimp stool, you did. You know what I mean? That three letter, that pat. It's gonna be my little spot right in the back. That thing got right in there. All right, y'all. Now we got that move. I'm gonna go ahead and move this car out, move this bike back. I want to sweep back there too, real quick. pull it right down. Alright, so they say this thing is a little bit difficult to put on. I don't see how, because the front side of this thing is marked as UltraGard, so that's your front. So we're gonna go ahead and get it on now, get it slid on and see how hard it is, and I'm gonna report to y'all and see what's up. You did so. So this was by far the easiest cover, just because the bike size itself is not that big, so it ain't take a whole lot of effort to put it on, and a light fit. It fits super tight, so yeah, it gets my yes as a vote. You know what I mean? It's nice and snug all the way around. Even got the little pocket for the back seat as well as the front seat. So yeah, that thing look good, man. That thing look good. Yeah, so tell me what y'all think about it. I like it, and I actually like that I got this concrete laid down this way because it came in handy. You did, so. Whew, all that workspace. I got all the space now. Let's go and get this back from him, man. Now the goal is to ultimately get both of the cars. I gotta get the Malibu turned around, and we're gonna get both of the cars on jack stands, so we can be ready to work. Oh shoot, y'all ain't got no key. Look at that, no key. Man, let me back this up. I need some walk around room. Not got enough. I'm gonna push it back just a little bit. I got all my work room. Now I get this box of LS parts out of here. That's the old LS stuff after we did the swap. And one day this week I'm gonna get this rotated back around. That way with the front end can be towards the wall next to the toolbox, and we're good. It feels different in here already. So, a cool deal.
3 weeks later.
It's been several weeks now since I've had the cover, and I'm telling you now, this cover is awesome. It keeps the bike nice and dry. It's sturdy. It's definitely a snug fit, and you don't have to worry about anything kind of like blowing or water seeping through, what have you. I'm gonna let y'all take a peek, see what's up. So, still on there. I just unlatched it for the sake of the video, but man, it's holding up good. So notice that there's a little pocket of water right here. Every time it rains, it kind of has this little pocket, and that's only because you need to make sure you pull this thing tight. And when it's pulled tight, you really don't have that issue. So as you can see, when I pulled it up and it's pulled tight, you really don't have that issue. But I'm gonna take the cover off real quick so you can see behind it. It's been raining last night. So as I take this cover off, it may get like a little bit of drops on it. But let's see if we can show y'all. Look, man. It's nice and dry up under there, man. Nice and dry. And that's how we like it. So I'm not gonna take it all the way off because I don't want to get my bike wet like that. So we're gonna leave it just like that. You did. And I'm gonna go back in and after it dry down, after it dry, I'm gonna go back and hook it back. But I love the cover, man, so it's definitely worth buying. You might want to copy one. I'm gonna put the link in the description. That way you can go and get one. You did. So appreciate y'all, and we're gonna holler back.